Alright guys, this combo you can get from Home Depot. Good entry-level homeowner like myself. I got mine for $89. It's about $99 right now on sale. Is it worth it? I think so, but let me help you make an informed decision. If you guys don't know, my name is Josh, industrial maintenance. Obviously I do some home stuff too, because weed eating is one of them. So anyways, see you in the video. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Alright, so this blower. It is lacking a lot, guys. It barely has the CFM to really blow grass. It can do okay, but if there's any wind, a light breeze, it's coming all right back to you. It does just good enough to get it off my driveway, so I don't complain too much about it. And let's be honest, if I really wanted a good one, I'd go get steel or something, you know. But you know, for $100, I'm getting this and that. It's a no-brainer that as long as it works good enough, I'm okay with the blower. I care more about the weed eater, so let's hop to that. All right, the weed eater. It's also a weed eater trimmer, whatever. You have two buttons, you click it, and then you can do some trimming and some edging. That does okay. The trimming and edging is fine. I don't care too much about that. Like if it gets really crazy, I do it like 4 times a year, so it's not something I use a lot. Just the regular weed eater part though, guys, amazing. Amazing. I have a 4 amp hour battery that I throw on all the time when I do the weed eating, but my 2 amp hour is enough to do the whole entire yard, and I have a pretty good yard. The drawbacks I see to this thing, guys, one of the huge downfalls, guys, is I'm 5'7", and it's like I would say it's like an inch too short, just enough that I kind of have to lean a little bit. So if you're like 6 foot tall, a little taller than that, I don't know if this would be the one you'd like. They have another weed eater one that's got like a wheel on it. It's a little bit longer, straight shaft. You might enjoy that one a little bit more. But for average day homeowner, guys, this thing is super light, like boop, 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 super light. You can weed eat with this thing all day long, no problems. For the money, guys, it is amazing. Go buy one. You'll love it. You're not going to regret it. Let's talk about the consumable. These little things here, little contraptions. Whenever you let off the trigger, it feeds out, so it's not one of those bump ones that a lot of people are used to. The drawback to that is you're going to go through a lot of line. I go through $35-ish or so a year, so to me that's nothing considering like what I get out of this deal. I think it's like $20 for a pack of 3 or something like that is what I paid for it. Buy it. You'll love it. You're not going to hate it. I know it sounds like a salesman, but if you watch my other videos, I will say that something is crap. But this thing, totally legit, totally worth it, guys. The blower, on the other hand, pretty lackluster. Yeah, maybe you'd want to buy a different one, quite honestly. But it gets you through the year. I'm on year 2 with my house in this, and I have absolutely no regrets. I'd 100% buy it again. One day I would like to upgrade the blower though. So if you like the video, guys, I have a couple more. Should pop up on the playlist in the corner here or here, wherever it pops up. I got one over the fans, the 2 Ryobi fans. One has a mister and one doesn't, so keep an eye out for that video. And until then, guys, don't forget, smile. It's gonna be wonderful.